How to fix you can't make this change at the moment Facebook two-factor authentication. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or restarting your router. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily as it can interfere with authentication processes. Now simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Then tap on the search address bar and search for the Facebook. If there is an update icon available right next to the Facebook, then simply tap on the update and install the latest version of the Facebook. Update often fix temporary issues or bugs. After you are downloaded a latest version of Facebook, simply go to the settings. Then inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the General. Inside General, look for the iPhone storage option, tap on it, and scroll down and tap on the Facebook from the listed app. Now simply upload the Facebook app and reinstall it. This will clear your cache and cookies and help you restart your Facebook. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.